The matte appearance of FENIX, as with any matte material, is due to the microstructure of the surface. Because the microstructure of FENIX is very strong, to clean the surface you can use any household cleaning liquid with the exception of abrasive ones. The main thing to remember when caring for your FENIX surface is to rinse it regularly with warm water, so that residues of dirt or cleaning liquid cannot build up inside the microstructure. Although some matte surfaces may look similar, not all of them have the same resistance to cleaning liquids as FENIX. So before following these instructions, please verify whether your matte surface is FENIX. If you are in any doubt, the supplier of your piece of furniture will be able to clarify this. It does not happen often, but if you have not regularly cleaned your FENIX surface correctly over time, dirt from multiple sources can build up inside the microstructure and cause it to change appearance. If you are experiencing this issue, let us help guide you in how to clean FENIX. To tackle all possible sources of dirt typically found in a kitchen, we will take you through a number of steps that should reset your FENIX surface back to its cleanliness on day one. First, please make sure you have the following items: a degreasing cleaning liquid, a limescale removing cleaning liquid, a melamine sponge, also known as magic sponge, clean cloths, warm water. Step 1. To start, spray the degreaser on the surface and use a warm wet cloth to loosen any residues by applying gentle friction. Do this for the entire surface, not only where you see the stain. Then, rinse with warm water and dry with a clean cloth. Step 2. Spray the limescale remover on the entire surface and use a new wet cloth to loosen any limescale particles that may be hidden inside the microstructure. Again, rinse with warm water afterwards and dry with another clean cloth. Step 3. Now that superficial dirt has been removed, you can reach deep into the microstructure using a melamine sponge. Use warm water and again apply gentle friction by making circle-shaped movements. Afterwards, rinse with warm water and dry with a clean cloth. By now, your worktop should be clean. However, in case you still see a dirty spot caused by, for example, pen ink, you can remove this using acetone locally. FENIX can withstand it easily, but please read the health and safety instructions provided on the packaging. After this, rinse once more with warm water and dry the surface with a clean cloth. So let's summarize. Recap step 1. Apply degreaser. Wash with wet cloth, applying gentle friction. Rinse with warm water and dry with a new clean cloth. Recap step 2. Apply limescale remover. Wash with wet cloth. Rinse with warm water and dry with a separate clean cloth. Recap step 3. Clean the surface with the melamine sponge. Rinse with warm water and dry with a separate clean cloth. We trust that by following these steps, you have been able to bring your FENIX surface back to its original beauty. To avoid a similar situation in the future, remember that caring for your FENIX surface means regularly cleaning the microstructure that gives it its matte appearance. You can find the do's and don'ts on the cleaning section of the FENIX website.